The real estate industry is being transformed by technology as we speak. It influences the way people buy, sell, and manage properties all across the world. Here's how. Hi, I'm Matt from Spring Digital, and in today's video, we'll explore some real-life case studies of innovative solutions and digital transformation in the real estate industry. Let's dive in and look at some of the latest trends. First up, we have virtual property tours. More and more, these are turning up in the real estate sales and rental processes. Essentially, prospective buyers and renters can take a virtual walkthrough of properties on domain.com.au, realestate.com.au, and on real estate websites without physically turning up to the location. Not convinced? According to research, properties with virtual tours receive 87% more views than those without, which has similarly led to an increase in the quality of leads real estate agents have to deal with. Then there's blockchain technology, which is streamlining the buying and selling processes, reducing costs, increasing transparency and security. With blockchain, real estate transactions can be completed faster and more efficiently, reducing the need for workloads of intermediaries such as lawyers and real estate agents. This technology is highly secure and transparent, ensuring that all parties have access to the same information and reduces the risk of fraud. Alongside this is predictive maintenance and asset management. Machine learning and AI algorithms are being used to predict maintenance needs, optimize usage, and improve the lifespan of building assets. With predictive maintenance, property managers can identify potential issues before they become a major problem, reducing downtime and saving money on repairs. For example, a client of ours in the retirement village sector with thousands of assets is pioneering forward in this space. But if that's not enough to persuade you, predictive maintenance is known to reduce maintenance costs by 25%. So having a system to manage that for you is a must. Let's move on to data analytics and real estate investment. Data-driven analytics are being used to identify investment opportunities, optimize portfolio performance, and mitigate investment risk. With data analytics, investors are making a more informed decision based on real-time data and market trends. This technology is highly effective at identifying emerging trends and opportunities in a market which would otherwise take a human hundreds of hours to analyze. Recently, we worked on a project with Knight Frank that involved developing a system to ingest 10 years of historical reporting data. Through organization and analysis, the system enabled Knight Frank to identify and evaluate the sales performance of single buildings, compare them to historical performance of data in similar buildings in the same location or area. This allowed their sales team to better evaluate building costs and value, leading to more informed and effective decision making. Next on our list are property management platforms. Digital platforms are simplifying property management tasks and improving communication, as well as improving efficiency for landlords and property managers. With property management platforms, landlords and property managers can manage properties far more efficiently and provide tenants with a better living experience. In a real-world scenario, we work closely with Strata Choice, one of Sydney's largest strata management companies, to streamline their operations. How? Through systems aiding communications across buildings, tenants, and committees. According to research, property management platforms can reduce the time spent on administrative tasks by up to 75%. And we see that every day through this kind of solution. Last but not least, let's talk about augmented reality and home design. Augmented reality is being used to help buyers visualize and customize their homes before they are built or renovated. With augmented reality, buyers can see what their homes will look like with different finishes, colors, and layouts. One company doing great things in this space is lifesizeplans.com, where they take architectural design plans and project it at a 1-to-1 scale onto the floor of a custom-built warehouse, so you can have a walkthrough of the layout even before you start building. This technology is highly effective at helping buyers make more informed decisions about layout, space sizes, and they can get ahead of issues that otherwise might not be seen until the build process. So there you have it. From virtual property tours to life-size plans, technology is transforming the real estate industry in countless ways. If you're a real estate agent or you're in this space, it's a must for you to keep on top of technology and stay ahead of the competition. If you found this video helpful, Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Till next time.